Hi there, this is Karen with inspiredbygram.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm giving you a sneak peek, or I'm going to just show you my May card club for 2021. I am featuring the Hand Pen Designer Series paper. I really enjoyed making this month's card clubs. They're super cute and uses quite a bit of the new products from the 2021-2022 annual catalog. My card layouts are easy to follow and really it's quite a great deal. I also include written instructions and an exclusive video, which is a step-by-step video as well. And the written instructions come in color and are shipped with your card club. The deadline to subscribe is May 20th at 8 o'clock Eastern Time, 8 p.m. And I'll have a link for you to subscribe to my card club. It's only $38 a month, and what it includes are 4 different card kits and 2 of each design. So let me go over the cards for May. I use quite a bit of different products from the catalog. Here I colored in with some blends, and you can use whatever blends that you want to use in from your craft room, or watercolor pencils, whatever you wish. So that just uses a bit. There's soft succulent in here, evening evergreen, and this is the beautiful soft succulent in color ribbon. And here's this really beautiful one with Blushing Bride, and you can see I did a background stamp here with the hand petals stamp set, which I'll show you in just a minute. And I've got a hint of the soft succulent ribbon right behind here, and the beautiful genial gems, and a nice little die cut here as well. And that one just opens up like that. The inserts are also included, the basic white panels. Here's another card. Uses it's kind of a side fold here. We can showcase the designer series paper on the inside of the card, along with another die set that I'm also featuring in May Card Club as an add-on if you want to. It's Scallop Contours dies. That is going to be a staple in my craft room this season. So really, really beautiful die set. And then finally here is I think it's called a book fold. And I have a piece of vellum under here that's die cut with a Scallop Contours dies, and then the sentiment tag is also from the Scallop Contours. And I've got a cute little bow there as well. Uses Highland Heather Mint Pool Party as the colors, and on the inside, a nice strip of the designer series paper hand penned. All right, so what do you receive this month? You're going to be receiving a 6x12 full pack of the hand pen designer series paper. It's right here on this template. And it features a lot of different colors from basic black, Blushing Bride, Cinnamon Cider, Daffodil Delight, Garden Green, Highland Heather, Mint Macaron, Misty Moonlight, Pale Papaya, Pool Party, and I put in some basic white as well. The genial gems come in, that's a Mint Macaron color, and Petal Pink. So it's kind of got a little orangey color in there as well. I just thought they looked really nice on the cards I designed for you. And then finally the open weave ribbon, which comes in Mint Macaron, soft succulent. And it's a really beautiful sheer kind of ribbon in the middle there. So you can see the designer series paper through the ribbon. All right, so then the add-on is a hand pen petals. This is a photopolymer stamp from Stampin' Up. And then also what goes with it is the pen flowers. Now these are add-ons. And here's what the dies look like in that set. I kind of heat emboss these. These are in Blackberry Bliss here. But just so you can see the detail from the stamped images there. And this is a really nice one too. So lots of different ways you can accent your cards. And I used a couple of those in the design of the cards. And then Scallop Contours dies. I highly recommend these dies. They're just beautiful. They come with the Color and Contours bundle, So you've got some stamps in there that you can die cut, stamp and then die cut as well. But these are really, they remind me of the Stitch So Sweetly dies, and that we all know I use those quite a bit. This one's really fun too because it's got this little cut piece you can put ribbon through, and then kind of maybe create some kind of bow there as well. So you can get all the information at my website, inspiredbygraham.com. Or you can email me at inspiredbygraham@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Be well.